Happy snow day, everyone. I know the timing is a little bit inconvenient for us, but I know that you're all going to enjoy it just the same. Before I get started on explaining how to attach your Works Cited page to your draft, I want to give you an announcement. Because of the snow day, I am going to push the due date back to Sunday. So we still won't get any more time in class to work on it because we have to move on. However, I'm going to give you a few days because we've had the snow day just to make sure everything's in order and to give you enough time to watch this video and attach your Works Cited page and get everything turned in. So on Turnitin, I'm going to switch tabs for a second. On Turnitin, you will see I've added new assignments. The first is labeled as Research Draft Revision Assignment, and obviously my view is going to look a little bit different than yours, so don't get confused here. This revision assignment is just for you. If you want to submit your paper before turning it into the final draft option, this will allow you to see your similarity report and get some feedback from Turnitin, just in case you don't feel comfortable submitting your final draft before you see your similarity report one more time. So again, this is not where you turn in your final draft. Below the final draft research paper, in all caps, is where you will submit your final draft. Please be aware that once you submit your final draft to this, you cannot change anything. You cannot return it in or anything like that. So be sure that your paper is where you want it to be before you submit it to this assignment right here. Okay, and again, due on Sunday at 11:59. I am available today for any help, and I'm going to still be going through your papers and giving lots of feedback. My feedback for those I haven't had a chance to conference with yet is going to be a lot more detailed because I haven't had a chance to conference with you yet. So utilize that information and utilize me. I'll be available through email, through Remind, in any way that you need today. I cannot guarantee the same this weekend. I'm assuming Mr. Yukon's still going on, so I don't know if I'll be available tomorrow at all to help with any paper-related questions. So please, 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 if you have any questions about your paper, ask me today, and we'll take care of that. So going on to how to attach your Works Cited page to your draft, because this has to be done, okay? So I have a Works Cited page open, as you can see, and I also have the draft open. This is just an example draft. Hopefully yours is longer, okay? So go to the end of your draft, wherever that may be, and you want to go to the very next page. You don't want to start your Works Cited page just at the end of your paper. You have to go to the next page. So one way to do that without hitting enter every single time is if you hit Command Enter, and it'll go to the next page. And you can see that it continues on with the page numbers if you did that with us the first time. Okay, that's what you want. Your Works Cited page should still have that continued page number. So now that I'm on the new page, I'm going to go back to my Works Cited page, and I'm simply going to copy and paste onto my draft. And if everything is formatted correctly, the formatting should remain the same. If it gets messed up, I'm going to go over how to fix everything just in case, okay? So again, it should be Times New Roman, 12-point font, double spaced, all of that good stuff. The tricky part with our Works Cited page is that it needs a hanging indent. So again, if that gets messed up, highlight everything, and your friend is going to be the toolbar right here. So you can see that I have the little arrow portion a ½ inch in and the first line indent line back to the start. So just 1 inch margins. If I move this stuff, it's going to change it. Okay? But again, I can move all of this over to fix it. Okay? So hopefully you don't have too many problems with this when copying and pasting your works cited page onto your full draft. If you do, shoot me some questions. I'll again be available to answer them. Once you have all this done, it saves as you go, so you're good, and you'll be able to submit your draft whenever you are ready to turn it in. Remember, when you go to submit, you need to make sure you're on single file upload, not copy and paste. If you use the copy and paste option, all your formatting is going to get messed up. So again, single file option, and you can upload it straight from Google Drive. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a fun day, guys.